Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer analytics with Google Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. First, start by setting up your Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and click on Start for free. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, click on Set up Property to create a new property for your website. Enter the website name and URL, then select the industry category and reporting time zone. After filling in the necessary information, click Create. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, you will receive a tracking ID and a snippet of code to install on your website. Copy this tracking code and paste it into the header section of your website's HTML. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, consider using plugins like Insert Headers and Footers for easier installation. Once the tracking code is in place, return to your Google Analytics dashboard. Next, navigate to the Admin section on the left sidebar. Here, you will find three columns: Account, Property, and View. In the Property column, click on Data Streams to add a new data stream for your website. Select Web and enter your website URL again. Choose the enhanced measurement settings that suit your needs, then click Create Stream. Now it's time to configure goals to measure your desired conversions. In the Admin section, under the View column, click on Goals. Click on the plus New Goal button to create a new goal. Choose a template or custom option depending on what you want to track. Define the goal details, such as destination URL or time spent on the site, then click Save. To analyze customer behavior, head back to the main dashboard. Click on Reports to explore various metrics and dimensions. Check out the audience report for demographics and interests of your visitors. Use that acquisition report to understand how users are arriving at your site. The behavior report will give insights into how users interact with your content. Explore the conversions report to see how well your goals are performing. Utilize segmentation features to break down data for more detailed analysis. Create custom segments based on user behavior, demographics, or traffic sources. For real-time insights, click on the Real-Time report to monitor user activity as it happens. As an advanced step, consider setting up e-commerce tracking if you're running an online store. In the Admin section, under Property, click on E-commerce settings to toggle on e-commerce tracking. Ensure you're following the required steps for tracking transactions and product performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.